Hello lovelies, good morning. I will not allow you to relax, so I will not allow you to rest till you buy this air fryer and enjoy easy life. Yes, so this plate has been sitting in this house for long. I'm going to try it out today. So today we are air frying fish. So we are going to put it right in there. Yes, and then on here, can you see that? Can you see? I'm gonna select meat. It's working. So it has been working for a while now. We're going to check it. So first of all, off it from the wall. Then check it. Wow, it's working. Can you see that? We're going to turn it and then put it back again. Wow, it's now properly air fried. Can you see our fish? It's properly air fried now.